Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and today we are at the Twin Gates Plaza, and we already seen your description. First of all, if you're new to the channel, if you watch the videos and haven't subscribed yet, make it official. Join the family, join Roshain Reviews by subscribing. Just click that subscribe button and join the family. If you already subscribed, remember to also turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I do a new video, you'll be alerted and you'll get a notification as well. So we're on Twin Gates Plaza, as I mentioned, just doing a driving tour of this plaza. I'm going to eventually doing a walking tour as well, but this is the driving one. Just want to show you guys, what's happening on Twin Gates Plaza. Probably some of you guys both in Jamaica, in Kingston, and probably even overseas haven't visited this plaza in a while. So it would be a good video to show you what's happening right now. If you're thinking about donating to the channel as well, we have PayPal and other options in how you can donate. So stay tuned, enjoy the drive, and let's explore Twin Gates Plaza. Alright, so this is one of the many entrances. So we're gonna turn back here and go around the plaza again. A lot of different shops, a lot of different stores. So we have Western Sports on the left. We have a restaurant, Twin Gates Lounge. We have Craft Village. This driver is here is trying to navigate out himself out of this parking spot. Alright, so we have Carbiz. That's a closed store. We have Brooklyn Supermarket on the right. We have Carbiz Souvenir Discount Center. We have Carbiz Craft Village. We have Twin Gates Pharmacy. So a lot of different shops here. Just gonna go around with you guys once more so we can highlight some of the places. We have Jewelry Collection, Carbiz Discount Center for kids. We have Fashion Express down the line, and CIBC Bank. So just showing you guys around some of the different shops. So we take a left here and just go around for the last time. A lot of persons in mask. You know, mask is mandatory. Police are now charging persons and arresting persons for not wearing mask. Now we have Island Grill, a well-rated, authentic Jamaican style fast food. We have Manhattan Shoe Store. Alright, so this again is Twin Gates Plaza. Just giving you guys a quick driving tour. I'll do a more in-depth tour at another time. Probably just walk around. We have Sneakers Express on the right, so you have a mixture of clothes store, shoe store, restaurant, supermarket, bank, so the whole works. So Twin Gates Plaza, guys, thanks so much for watching. Definitely leave a comment as well. Not sure when last you probably have visited this plaza. Not sure if you have ever visited this plaza. It's one of the popular plazas in Kingston, in Half a Tree, you know, Twin Gates Plaza. So leave a comment. Probably you've been here before, never been here, haven't been here in a while, just let me know. So we'll exit on Constant Spring Road. That's where we'll be exiting. So thanks for watching, thanks for viewing, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing, and I'll see you on another driving tour.